What up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows updating error code 0x800f0983. So let's get right into this. So when you're updating Windows, you might get this error code, and there's a few ways to fix this. The first easy thing you can do is go to your search bar and type in troubleshooting settings or troubleshoot settings until you see this pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooters, and in here, click into the Windows update one, and then essentially do run the troubleshooter. Since this helps resolve problems that prevent you from updating your Windows. They literally have a troubleshooter for that. So I would highly recommend you to do this first. This is the easiest path to take. The next thing you can do is go to your search bar, type in CMD and right click into it and run as administrator. We're going to do two codes, and they both take some time to run, so I'm not going to run them, but I'm going to show you exactly what to write. The first one is to write DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. I believe it's, you want to essentially run this. This does take some time, but I would recommend you to essentially let this process run so you can then move on to the next step. Once this is fully run, the next thing you want to essentially type is SFC. This also takes some time, but this one, once you're done with this, so once you do this one, is going to take some time. It just tells you like what happens, all that other good stuff. So it's SFC /scan now to let this process run. It's going to, like I said, take some time. Let the process, I believe I spelled it wrong actually. It's scan now. So let this process fully run, as you'll see over here. Once this is done, you'll see the verification complete from 0 to 100%. Then it's going to ask you to restart your computer. I want you to basically restart your computer. You should be good to go, and you will not have this error basically persist any longer. You should be able to update, and well, yeah, you can see I misspelled it. It's /scan now. It's two N's, right? So don't make that same mistake as myself. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are enjoying the video, please smash the like, guys, and channel. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and Mo Tutorials out. Peace.